Ngai Kugle, Yafi Haka, Kating Yujisu. Nyalanga Ruka, Jinko Lena, Kavalana, Crosspoint, New York. Daka, Jingman, Bakroban, Doba, Fit. I'm just standing here for a few minutes just to tell you about one of our church programs known as Kingdom Kids. Kingdom Kids is simply that we are making our younger generation to be the responsible kingdom citizens. So, COVID is bad for so many people. Still it is bad because we came to Jawai to visit the What India People Group and also Robert Rees, who is the Pioneer Bible Translators Southeast Asia Director. So we came to see him, excited to see him after almost 35 years, but we couldn't see him because he was tested positive. So we had an online viewing. COVID was very bad for New York. Hundreds and thousands of people died in New York. So I would say COVID did good to our church. All our Sunday school programs, we opened it up to all children. Okay, not only in the United States. We just opened it up like globally. So now, even after COVID, we continue that systematic biblical curriculum-based teachings to the children. We do it globally. So I just want to, some of you just asked about the information, so that's why I'm just taking a few seconds to tell you what's going on there. So it's it's a program based on the biblical curriculum. We have just finished the story by Randy Fries and Max Lucado in our brotherhood. We covered from Genesis to Revelation. So now we are again starting with another curriculum. I think now we are running on, we just finished Joseph and we are on the 10th unit. So all the units takes, covering the entire Bible. So in the Indian Standard Time, it is at 7 p.m. every Saturday. We use the Zoom platform. I know that it's expensive little, but parents, if you're interested, we will send you the link. You will get it. We'll send it to your leaders and they will transfer that link to you. What all you need to do is that you need to register and you need to make sure your children are in the Kingdom Kids program. So any children from 2 years and above, there is no age limit. We have pre-K, pre-kindergarten, upper elementary, lower elementary, we have middlers and we have seniors. We have also American teachers and Indian teachers, a big team. And Sister Susie is actually coordinating that entire ministry, and Dr. Saju and myself, we are all teachers. So we have initially a common session, teaching songs and just referring the Bible points. And then we have the class timings where through Zoom platform, we break out to all of them according to the age group. Okay, so they will be in the class for like 30 minutes and then they come back to the main session and we'll be having again the Bible point reminder and some songs, and also we just remind them the scriptural verses and a closing remarks and benediction. It's something like 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay, and every 8th week we have a program called Shine for Christ. That day, all the units they have covered for the past 8 weeks, all the kids will present that. It's like a presentation day. Mostly the parents also would be joining. So whatever they learn, they put into practice and they apply it into everyday lives. So I appreciate that whoever is interested, you can just join. We appreciate all of your kids to join in the first week of July. That's where we all reach back, and it will be systematic. Now the program is going on, but when you get in, we need to introduce you, right? You expect that.
Yes.
So our coordinator and everybody will arrive by July 1st week. So we will let you know the time frame, July 1st week, that's Saturday evening, 7 o'clock. So I appreciate if your kids join. And one of the main reasons in our mission trip for 7 to 9 states is just we visited the Kingdom Kids, that we have never seen them before, only online. They were so excited and they were so happy, and we see the change and difference in their lives. The goal is globally we train our children in a Bible way and making them as future leaders of God's church. Alright? So God bless you, and we look forward to see you and your kids in the Kingdom Kids. Thank you.